Let's get the Spectrum TV app set up so you can enjoy live TV, on-demand content, and DVR recordings. The Spectrum TV app doesn't directly install on Xumo, but it works great on devices that Xumo also supports, such as Roku, Amazon Fire TV, Apple TV, and Android TV devices. First, make sure you have an active Spectrum TV or internet subscription. You'll need it to sign in. Then, go to the App Store on your streaming device like the Roku Channel Store or Google Play Store. Search for Spectrum TV and choose the official app by Charter Communications. Hit Install and wait a few minutes for it to download. It's that easy. If you have any issues, double-check that your device is compatible and running the latest software. Now that the app is installed, let's sign in. Open the Spectrum TV app and select Sign In. Enter your Spectrum account username and password. For extra security, enable two-factor authentication on your Spectrum account. You might need to activate the app through spectrum.net/activate on your computer or phone, especially if you're using a TV device. Once you're logged in, you can access over 250 live channels, on-demand movies and shows, and your cloud DVR recordings, depending on your Spectrum package. As of late 2025, some Spectrum plans even let you access Xumo channels directly through the Spectrum TV app for a unified streaming experience. If you have any trouble, try clearing the app's cache or contacting Spectrum support. Enjoy.